So, nag-scroll ako sa Facebook last weekend and then I found a live perfumer na gumagawa siya ng perfume niya like literally on the live and I got curious ano nga ba ito and yun. So, bumili na lang ako. This is Coriolis. Mabili na lang ako kahit ano, nag-random buy ako. Isang fragrance lang naman. So, it's just one random fragrance from Coriolis. I cannot say anything about it since it's an unknown brand pero all I can say is the perfumer yung may-ari ng fragrance na to he's been doing his own fragrance on live. Ooh, look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Yeah, so cute. Anyways, I'm here to test out the fragrance, not the what do you call this? Not the sensation. Anyways, here we go. Oh no. Oh no, it's makalat. Makalat to buksan. Anyways, look. Coriolis ko. Ito yung shop nila in case na gusto nyo silang puntahan. Coriolis ko. Okay. And then let's open this. Look at that. Look at that bottle. It looks so sleek. I like the bottle. Anyways, we're not here to look at the bottle. We're here to test the fragrance. Let's test it out. Naamoy ko pa lang. Okay. Yung alcohol na naman. Shit. Meron siyang parang kaamoy eh. I don't know what the smell is, but it's too flowery and woody. Yeah, it's too flowery and woody. I think it's more of a lavender and wood. I don't know what type of wood, pero it's wood type of scent. May kaamoy siya. Hindi siya pabango pagkain. Wait, alalahanin ko lang. Basta it smells like something edible. I don't know, maybe just for me. I think I smelled this before. Yeah. Upon opening, it smells good. So far, it smells good. And they also have this dapper. What's this? Eduardo. Oh, yeah. Eduardo yung isang fragrance nila. Let's test pa ano nga ba ito. Yes, Eduardo is better. Fresh, sweet to see, kind of flowery and aquatic. You know what? I think mas prefer ko itong Eduardo. Nagkamali ako ng binili. Saturnino. But siya. I guess the Saturnino is more of a woody type of scent. I'm not really a fan of it. Pero, it's kind of good. I'm not disappointed. I didn't expect that much. For only 450 pesos. Yeah, I guess it's good. Medyo di ko lang talaga bit ng Saturnino. Nagkamali ako lang pinili. Anyways, yeah. Try to check Coriolis kung meron kayong bet. I guess they're good. Let's see. Yun lang. Okay, other side comment. I think the projection is too weak. Yeah, the projection is too weak. Nakawala agad siya. I cannot smell it in this range. Usually, I can still smell it. Very weak projection, very weak sillage. I hope they can improve it. Smell is good though. I hope they can improve it. Hindi ko talaga maisip kung ano yung kaamoy niya, pero may kaamoy siya. Fuck!